Welcome back to Ranking Hub. Today we are counting down the top 5 highest paid jobs you can have without a college degree. If you want high income without student loans, this is your list. Let's get started. Number 5, real estate agents, no degree required, just a licensing course. Top agents will make any from $80,000 to way over $150,000 a year through commissions earned. If you are good with people, this is your lane. In position number 4 come the self-taught web developers. All you need is a strong portfolio and coding skills, which you can learn online, while salaries are between $70,000 and $120,000, and remote jobs are everywhere. Number 3, elevator and escalator technicians. This job requires an apprenticeship, not a degree. And what kind of pay? A huge $90,000 to $140,000 or more over a year. In fact, one of the highest paid trades in the world. Number 2, commercial pilots. No college involved, just flight school and certification. Average earnings reach above $100,000, experienced pilots earn even more. And number 1 on the highest paid jobs that does not require a degree is air traffic controllers. Special training, tests involved for sure, no traditional college necessary. Salary, a whopping $120,000 to $160,000 or more. High pressure, high reward. That's it for the top 5 highest paid jobs without a degree. Which one would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more weekly rankings. This is Ranking Hub, signing off.